Alright family, so just I do a quick repair for my grill, so getting ready to do a massive cookout and the grill conk out for me, so I figure I would try to fix it myself. So I do a little troubleshooting and I'll find out that the fan, this fan, it's because there's an auger inside, so when it's feeding the wood pellets, the fan blows and keep the flame going. Alright, so of course the higher the temperature, the harder the fan blows. So this went out, so I had to order a new one to replace it. So as you can see, I already took the bottom frame off. I already connected the fan here, so I gotta get up in there, put these screws, install this fan real quick. So if you can see up underneath here, I'll put the fan back in with these screws, long screws. Oh, a screw. All right, so before I put the pieces back together, I am going to test it, make sure it works. All right, so start up the grill. Actually, turn the car on. Power is on. All right, that's my wood pellets right there, and they're gonna feed into the grill. So if you look on the inside, let me open this up for you. All right, so right there, as you can see, is where the pellets come in, and there's an auger which twists out the pellets. All right, so let me turn this on. Just set it to our temperature 400. Press start to ignite, and you can see the fan's blowing. And what's gonna happen is the burner is gonna start to heat up the firewood, and then every time the fan keeps blowing, it's gonna ignite that, and it's gonna keep going. All right, so we are in good shape. You know, the fan's working, and now we're just gonna wait for it to heat up. But the heating element we know is working. It's just the fan that we have to change. So that is it. That was a quick down and dirty, literally, to fixing the grill, and that would have cost me maybe $150 to fix that. The part itself was only like 20 something bucks. So, you know, instead of panicking and call somebody to fix it for me, I troubleshoot it myself, figure out what part I needed, and then just, you know, part came in, replaced it, that's it. So save yourself some money. Alright? Troubleshoot your stuff first. See how you can fix it yourself. If you can't, of course, call the professionals, but hey, easy fix. So, now you can enjoy more of my cooking. Alright? So, until next time, we'll see you on the next fix. Stay tuned. Well, we're testing it out, so as you can see, it works. And we are back in business.